What's going on, guys? So I want to do a little trade recap. I actually took 3 trades on Amazon today. So if you guys are trading the markets today, I know I was, in and off of live voice chat with a lot of you guys in the Discord. Had some fun towards the end of the day trading with one of the members there. We traded Tesla short as well as Amazon. But with that being said, what I kind of want to go over is, the 3 trades that I took on Amazon. So starting off very, very early in the day, my if I go to my time, which is Pacific Standard Time, this 8 a.m. candle here, we got the first close below the 20 period moving average. So typically, on my strategy, I'm going to take the confirmation of this low wick. The only reason why I decided to wait an extra 5 minutes was because I seen that we had the 200-day moving average here. I did not want to quickly buy into this 200-day moving average to have this candle here at 8:10 Pacific Standard Time open up and start to bounce on me. So what I wanted to actually do was, let this candle close. Let's see where this candle is going to finish up here. We finished right at the 200-day moving average. My entry was going to be let me take a look at the strike prices that I did. So I did the March 25th, which is obviously 0 days to expiration, and I did the 32.65s. So if we can kind of see why I did the 32.65s was just due to the fact that right below this 200-day moving average here is 32.66. So 32.65s was the closest that I can get to that, stock price. And on this candle's flush here is where I wanted to kind of ride it down here. As long as we did not close back above the 200, I was going to continue to ride this trade down. And as we started working our way down here, I just quickly sold that contract as I only took one contract. So later on in the day, I took a little bit of a play long, and on that play I did the 32.70s, 32.85s. And the reason why I did those 32.85s is if we can kind of look here, around this 11 o'clock hour here, we can see we had a lot of rejection here. We couldn't really get above it. And then on this green candle here at 11:50 is when me and one of the members from Discord kind of got in. So what I was looking at here, and we kind of entered this a little bit late, but that 32.85 was going to be our entry here. We kind of quickly went above it and did not close above. We just broke this area. What I was really looking for was like a candle to close over this 32.85. The 32.85s were the strike prices that I was going to take. So as soon as this candle here at 11:40 closed over the 32.85 is when I went ahead and got long. I sat in this trade for just about 10 minutes. And on this run up, I obviously didn't sell all the way at the top, but I sold on this run up here, and it was a nice little gain. And then we kind of came back towards the end of the day and we went short here. So you can see at 12:20, we lost 20 period moving average, and we quickly closed right here around this 32.78 level. The bottom of the wick was 32.75. And on that play, I took the 32.70s puts is what I took on this play here. And as you can see, as we got down into this area, it did not give us a very, very big move. So this was a small little gain here. So I actually took the close candle here at 12:20 Pacific Standard Time. And as we started to confirm that 32.78, I went ahead and took that put position here. And then on this candle was really, really struggling. I knew that we had the 200-day moving average here. Didn't take that much on that. But going into the close, nice little reversal here. And again, the beauty of being a day trader is you can get in and out of these plays. You can go long, you can go short. And I am actually swinging into Monday's session here. So I was looking for this close over the 20. I went ahead and got long over the 32.90, and what I have is the 32.85 calls for the 1st of April. So that's going to be next Friday's close. And as we closed over this 32.89 is when I went ahead and took this call into the close here, the last 10 minutes kind of just spiking up, and obviously that is up right now. Not a lot, but if you know the way Amazon moves, you don't need much for those contracts to really start moving. So kind of just wanted to give you a little recap on the three going on 4 trades that I took there on Amazon. So we had the short off the morning. We were looking at this play here. As soon as we confirmed with the close over 32.85, we took that there. We also had a little bit of a mini short play here that did not last that long. Luckily, we were able to just get out. And the only reason why I got out of this candle here and not didn't hold until it reconfirmed back over the 20 was just because while I was watching this candle here, I was also looking at the triple Qs, and I noticed that the triple Qs came into a level of support and they started to bounce. So as soon as those Qs came into that level of support, I knew that there was some strong demand there. And if they could not break through, if the sellers could not push through that level, I was expecting a little bit of a bounce. And that's why it's kind of good to just understand technical analysis and understand where your supply and demand zones are, especially on your indexes, especially when you're trading, whether you're trading small cap stocks, you want to be looking at the IWM. If you're trading mega cap or tech stocks, you want to be looking at the triple Qs, so forth and so forth. So just kind of give you guys a little recap. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also join the Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Would love it if you guys would become a lifetime member so you guys can jump in and trade live with us. We normally go live where I kind of get together with some of the members and we trade throughout the day, kind of call out plays and BS around a little bit in there. Normally 2 to 3 times a week, but throughout the whole 5 trading days, we're constantly putting out the trades that we're doing, and I'm kind of giving you guys these levels intraday, helping you guys out with things that I'm trading. Typically, if I'm not trading the stock that you guys are interested in, I'll kind of just give out and mark out the supply and demand zones so you guys can kind of understand where you're at if something does break down, if you guys want to sell that, or if something does break out, if you guys want to take that long. But with that being said, I'll see you guys all in the next recap video.